Did you know there are over 40 species of birds of paradise? From the King of Saxony to the Wilson's bird, each one is a masterpiece of nature. Imagine a burst of colors, electric blues, fiery reds. That's the plumage of birds of paradise. Their vibrant feathers are a sight to behold. But it's not just about looks. These birds are incredible performers. With elaborate courtship dances, acrobatics, and displays, they're the true stars of the avian world. Sadly, their world is shrinking. Habitat loss, climate change, and illegal trade threaten these wonders. Let's raise awareness and work together to protect these mesmerizing creatures.